In this video, we will show you how to use a Target gift card online. If you guys want to get started with Target gift cards, you can use the links down in the description. First, select Shop by category, then select Gift Cards. Here, select Target gift cards and select your gift card design. Now, choose option to select your gift card value amount and choose your delivery method. Target e-gift card sent via email, usually within 4 hours, or you can schedule delivery up to 3 months in advance. Physical Target gift card sent by mail, usually delivered within 7 to 10 days. Postal delays could affect the delivery time frame. Mobile Target gift card sent via text message to a data-enabled mobile device, usually within 4 hours, or you can schedule delivery for up to 3 months in advance. Either select to send a gift card via email or mobile, or select to send a physical gift card. Next, select the card icon to proceed with checkout and select checkout. Select Add Next to the email recipient field to edit. Review the to field to include the recipient's name and email address. The email address must be added twice for validation. Review from field to edit the purchaser's name and select Add Next to the mobile recipient field to edit. Review the to field to include the recipient's name and mobile number. Review from the field to edit the purchaser's name and select Place My Order. So that's how to use Target gift card online. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with gift card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.